This exhibition is unique for us, like a lot of artists' exhibition, because it's singularly focused. So you can sort of get into their head, you can get into their work, you can understand their story a little bit better. Some of the things are sketches in the traditional sense of just a couple of ideas. Some of them are very finished drawings, some of them are very finished prints, some of them are somewhere in between. Some of them articulate plans, and I think that individuals, in addition to liking the story, the narrative that's going on, I think people are going to realize, geez, I didn't know drawings could be so vast in terms of what they're meant to do. You know, they are a record, they are a guide, they are instructions, they are a reflection. Drawings can be lots of different things, and sometimes drawings aren't necessarily a means to an end. Sometimes the drawing is just the end in and of itself. We're going to be featuring a number of her notebooks, so it's almost like being able to peek into somebody's diary and to understand maybe what they were thinking. I love, many of my colleagues in the sculpture department love the ones where she's made little notes on the side, you know, little gestures, little comments. I think people also like some worlds that no longer exist. For example, one of the introductory sections talks about Rome as she encountered it in the 1950s. And so, you know, you see women dressed in traditional styles, you see women doing lots of manual labor, so on and so forth. You see priests and prelates, you know, a kind of world that disappeared shortly thereafter, so she captured those things. I like when she starts to become an abstract artist, because you can see in a few of the works that she's just on the edge of going beyond a figure and to make it about forms in space and so on and so forth. You know, for me, that's very interesting. She's been a pioneer on a variety of fronts, and her journey isn't necessarily perfectly straight. Sometimes it does a little meandering, but the interesting thing is it's always going forward. It's a powerful exhibition, but it's a powerful exhibition by a very powerful artist.